Hi, Jim Romer, 8 o'clock on this Wednesday, answering questions from around the country about Hurricane Ian. Sorry for all the colors on my hat. This is not a laughing matter. It kind of matches this picture of the colors approaching the coast of Florida. Hurricane Ian, as you can see, is moving a little bit more north of east right now. That means a little bit more of a northern jog, and hence computer models that had it closer to Fort Myers, actually around the Port Charlotte area. Look at that, slightly further north than models were projecting, actually. This is going to be a devastating, serious situation, and probably just south of Sarasota and close to the Venice area. What we're watching right now are these storms developing, thunderstorms to the northwest of the center. That means that Ian has intensified almost to a category 5 as of 8 o'clock this morning. I've seen this many times over the years, particularly over in the Gulf Coast and off the southeast coast, when ocean temperatures are warm and things explode more than forecasters were expecting. The dry tongue you see there in black, will that move into the storm center here in the next 12 hours and perhaps weaken Ian to a Cat 2 or 3, which will lessen the catastrophic damage? That's a real question mark. Very difficult to say right now because of this loop current. The warm ocean current there in orange and red is actually the warmest ocean temperatures in the Gulf of Mexico, right off the coast of Southwest Florida, in part because of climate change. We've been talking about this for years, and that is why over the warm ocean waters there in orange and red, that Ian has exploded almost to a category 5 here as of this writing. Here's the actual track of the storm again. Look how it's actually moving a little bit more north than northeast, and that's going to cause a very tight situation, a very concerning situation for even the Sarasota region with at least category 2 winds. There's a slight chance this could still maintain itself as a strong category 4 upon landfall. That would actually be a disaster for Southwest Florida. All this is being occurred because of climate change and also La Nina that is not weakening as many other meteorologists predicted. This La Nina, the ocean temperatures cool off the coast of Peru, means that shear tends to weaken in the Atlantic and Gulf of Mexico, and indeed that's what's actually happening right now. So once again, computer models were really a little bit too far south and wrong there. That's actually down around the Fort Myers area, and the storm is taking a little bit more further jog to the north, and there's a question whether or not this will stay a strong Cat 4 hurricane. Slight intensification to be a Cat 5, devastating for Southwest Florida, and probably 10 to 20 miles or so just south of the Sarasota area. Still winds in excess of 100 to 120 miles an hour sometime this afternoon in the Sarasota area. Stay tuned. Thank you.